Hi guys, Hunger Girl 1 here, and I'm back again. So I went to this weird thing, the Lost Jammers 123 Den's like random giveaway. So yeah, and I just turned into this wolf, and she like literally changed her animal. So I'm guessing she likes me or something like that, but I'm just totally ignoring her like I don't even know what she's talking about. My membership ends today. I am so happy because I don't care. Oh my fucking god. How many owls do you need? Damn, woman. I'm just gonna sit down. So we went. I don't know why I'm doing weird creepy laugh, but okay. Stop staring at me, penguin. Penguin, stop staring at me. Okay, you're gonna stop staring at me. That's totally great. Waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Okay. We're gonna, oh, I think he's trying to say we're gonna die young, even though you can really say die now. Wait, what did you say? I'm going to think of an animal. I'm gonna be right back real quick. Give me a sec back, guys. Oh yeah, I totally forgot I turned off the music. Normal wolf. Let me see, all the animals. Oh, maybe people can say bunny? Bunny, 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 bunny! Bunny? Penguin? This is so hard. Why? Shark? Shark? Lion? What is it? Snow leopard? Snow leopard? Wait, what's brown? I don't understand. Is it one of our animals? Are you kidding me? No. I forgot about otter. Shit. No, it doesn't really matter. I didn't really want it, so. Yeah. Oh my god, I didn't realize she had all these rest. I have more rest than you. I'll just give her these rares. Well, not in this account, but in my other account. I have way more rares than her. So, like, whatever. Snake whisper. Actually, I don't care about her, so I'm just going to leave her. I nobody care. Oh. There's nobody in there. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm gonna go down to over there in the party. Even though this party's empty. I'm just gonna tell my friend. Oh. I just don't know why. So I'm just gonna end this video for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!